What's up guys? So we are done mag-prepare and medyo na tayo. On time naman. So currently guys, it's 3:51 AM at for today's video, we are going for our first day tour or day 1 tour and we'll see kung ano pupuntahan natin. Kumuha lang ako sa Klook guys ng tour para alam mo yun, since first time ko dito, hindi naman katulad to ng Bangkok na may mga train or BTS na pwedeng mag-DIY. So ang ginawa ko para wala akong asikasuhin at kayo rin kung gusto niyo ng parang safe and legit na tour provider, you can book via Klook and you can use my promo code MarkParagasKlook for an instant discount. So ngayon, ang call time natin guys is 4 AM. Nagising tayo ng 3 AM, 10 minutes before 4 AM. Tumawag na si Kuya. Nandiyan na siya sa labas. I think we are done naman na here. Let's go. Outfit check. Ayan. Pack. Chat. Okay, so let's go. So, ang pangalan pala guys ng ating tour guide ay si Wawan. And nandito na daw siya sa lobby. Check natin.
Hi,
Wawan?
Yes.
Good morning. I'm good. I'm excited. So for the entire tour, that's only me?
Yeah.
Okay. So the Lempuyang is the gate of heaven. Gate,
Yes, Lempuyang.
Yeah, and then the Tirtaganga.
Tirtaganga.
Okay.
And then
waterfall.
Waterfall.
Then lunchtime.
Lunchtime. And then
Coffee?
Coffee.
Plantation, rice terrace. Okay.
And then rice terrace.
Sounds good.
The culture of Bali driver, crazy but friendly.
Yeah, okay. And safe.
Yes.
Yeah.
By the way, you from Filipino?
Philippines.
Yeah. Filipino, Kabayan.
Kabayan, yes.
Correct.
Did you have any tour that has a Filipino as well?
Yeah.
A lot?
Lots.
Okay.
And then lots of group. with
Yeah, groups.
Yeah.
Okay.
Last 10 days, I also solo. Go to Lempuyang.
Okay. Nice. I think I slept for 4 hours, but I'm good.
Oh yeah.
I can be awake for the whole day.
Oh yeah. When you come to Bali?
Yesterday,
What time?
morning,
Morning.
around 9
Oh, so
9 a.m.
A few moments later.
Nag-break time muna tayo. So actually, itong biyahe na to, sabi ni Kuya Wawan, it will be a 2-hour ride going to the Gate of Heaven or Limpuang Temple. And nag-break lang ng siguro 10 minutes kasi medyo mahaba-haba pang travel time. Pero ano lang to parang actually, parang Tagaytay lang pag nagtatagaytay tayo. So by the way guys, welcome to our day 1 of our 3-day tour na kinuha sa Klook. So ang first stop natin guys ay Limpuang Temple. Check natin para sure. So yeah, first stop is Limpuang Temple. So actually guys, hesitant ako nung una mag-book ng 3-day tour kasi nga limited lang yung time natin dito. Pero mukhang kaya naman, kakayanin. And guys, yung binook natin sa tour or sa Klook ay as joiner. Ibig sabihin dapat may kasama tayo, 2 or more. Ang ending, mag-isa lang tayo guys. For the entire 3-day tour na si Kuya Wawan yung magiging magiging tour guide and driver natin. Solo lang tayo guys dito sa sasakyan kasi wala atang nag-book. And I think ang 3-day tour talaga, most of the time magiging solo ka lang unless may mga grupo ka or may mga kaibigan kang kasama or family. Kasi nga 3-day tour siya, ikaw magpipilit ko anong date. So ang ginawa ko Saturday, so that will be Saturday, Sunday, Monday. And sabi ko nga Saturday ngayon, naisip ko rin na maraming turista. So we'll see kung anong experience or kung ano yung madadatnan natin sa Limpuyang Temple. Wala lang, nakaka-excite kasi nga nung una in-expect ko na ay baka kung sino kasama, Pinoy ba o kaya foreigner, para hindi tayo maubusan ng English. And by the way guys, a little fact about Bali kapag pupunta kayo dito, walang 7-Eleven dito guys. Chinek ko na yan, walang 7-Eleven. Most of the convenience store na meron dito is Circle K, Mart, at saka Alpha Mart. Nakakatuwa, di ba? Kung kay Thailand, puro 7-Eleven. Dito guys sa Bali, walang 7-Eleven. So yun lang guys, nag-update lang ako sa inyo, and then after this 10-minute break, we'll head na sa Lempuyang Temple. See you later.
2 hours later.
Alright guys, so we just arrived here sa first stop ng ating tour. And this is Kuya Wawan.
Hi, I'm tour guide Bali.
Yes, so Kuya Wawan will be our tour guide and driver for the entire tour. And actually, nandito tayo sa parking lot ng Lempuyang Temple.
Yeah, we now going to with the shuttle bus. We're going to the temple, and after that, providing to take a picture about like 2 hours.
Wow. So currently it's 5:58 a.m. and medyo marami ng tao. Sobrang dami tao na guys. Ang dami ng sasakyan. So for sure marami ng tao doon. Ang sabi ni Kuya, yung picture mismo dun sa Gate of Heaven is aabotin ng 2 hours. Pero we'll see once we get there. And by the way guys, may bayad tong shuttle going to the temple. And lalagay ko na lang dito kung magkano. That is 45,000 Indonesian rupee. Yeah. And good thing, since tour yung kinuha natin, kasama na siya. Lahat ng entrance, lahat ng additional ek-ek dito sa tour natin. Pero nakalagay naman doon kung ano yung mga optional at mga excluded sa tour. So yan. Okay, so we're good to go.
89, number 89.
Sa pangano tayo guys, 103. Tapos ayan, nagtatawag sila. And by the way guys, you are required to wear a sarong. Ayan, kung mapapansin nyo. Ayan, mga nakasarong. Syempre to hide yung knees. May nilalagay din sila para sa shoulder. And I think ito yung ticketing booth ng papuntang Lempuyang Temple. Tapos maglalakad pa tayo. Medyo marami na guys. Pang 103 tayo And I think, sabi nga ni Kuya, mga 2 hours ang ating waiting time para magpa-picture. Pero we'll see. And best talaga guys is morning. Pag aabutin ka talaga ng tanghali, medyo matao na. Ang maganda dito guys, kapag naka-tour talaga kayo, ayan, yung mga tour guide niyo, kung sino yung driver, siya rin yung pwedeng photographer at siya rin yung mag-assist sa mga babayaran kasi kasama na yung mga entrance fees sa tour fee na binayaran ninyo. Ayan si Kuya Wawan, nakapila, yung naka-blue.
Now let's go up.
A few moments later.
So guys, nandito tayo sa restaurant bago tayo umakyat ng Lempuyang Temple. So bali, mag-breakfast muna tayo. Ang number natin guys is 88. Pang 88 tayo sa picture taking. So it will take 2 hours pa daw talaga. Look at the view. Sobrang ganda niya guys. That is Mount Agung guys. Parang Mount Mayon. This is an active volcano by the way. Medyo natatakpan lang siya ng ulap pero ayan. Kung magdi-DIY kayo may bayad yung shuttle going up here, libre yung sarong, pero yung ticket mismo para sa Lempuyang Temple, hindi ko siya nakuhaan, pero hahanap ako ng information about it para ipopost ko na lang dito para may idea kayo if ever gusto nyong mag-DIY. Pero ang maganda kasi sa tour na kinuha natin, kasama ng mga entrance fees, tapos si Kuya, yung tour guide niyo, yung driver niyo, siya na rin yung bahala magbabayad, pipila para sa inyo. So gagawin nyo na lang talaga is magpapapicture. Since maximum of 2 hours yung waiting time bago magpapicture dun sa Limpuyang Temple, magpo-breakfast muna tayo, tapos after 1 hour, babalikan tayo dito ni Kuya Wawan, tapos pupunta na tayo dun. So, bali guys, yung Limpuyang Temple, yung Gate of Heaven, one of the tourist attraction dito sa Bali. Piling ko nakakita na kayo ng mga pictures. Gate of Heaven, tapos ang backdrop niya is yung Mount Agung. And then, meron pa nga siyang, dinadaya lang yung guys na parang may water effect or nasa water ka. Mirror lang yon, so may daya yon. Pero yun yung magiging picture natin mamaya. Tapos ipopost ko sa IG para magka-idea kayo. Una, hesitant ako guys na i-book itong tour na to kasi nga yung waiting time, actually travel time is 2 hours going here. Tapos yung waiting time is 2 hours, another 2 hours para lang magpa-picture. Pero we'll see, di ba? Malay naman natin, maganda naman yung experience. At saka ano naman tayo, hindi naman tayo yung mabilis mainip kasi marami tayong pwedeng gawin. Like, pwede tayong mag-vlog, pwede akong magkwento sa inyo, and then, hindi nyo mamalayan, time na natin, magpa-picture. Balinese coffee, tapos orange juice. So guys, medyo madaldal ako sa vlog, di ba? Tsaka lalo na pag nasa tour tayo. Pipilitin ko paabutin ng mga 20 to 30 minutes yung isang vlog natin. If ever lumagpas, gagawin natin na part 2. Kasi alam ko naman na karamihan sa inyo hindi nagtatagal sa vlog ko. Hindi ko alam bakit. So ayun. At saka yung sabi ko nga kagabi or sa isang vlog natin, pipilitin kong mag-upload araw-araw para naman at least hindi kayo nabibitin. Lalo na ito, kung may part 1, dagdagan natin ng part 2. Sarap ang kape. Actually, sige, hindi ko nakukuhaan tong pagkain natin. Actually, American breakfast yung kinuha natin. May egg, merong bacon, tapos may bread. So, yun. Typical na American breakfast with coffee and juice. So, skip na natin tong breakfast kasi okay naman. Typical na breakfast. Actually, sayang nga kasi yung accommodation natin may kasamang breakfast. So, parang sa buong tour natin guys, like hindi pala tayo makakapag-breakfast, makakapag-try ng breakfast buffet. I think sa last day, kasi yung last day natin is late na mag-i-start yung tour natin. So, nag-open naman siya ng 6:30. I think 7 yung pick up. And by the way, napapatingin ako dito. Look. Sana nakikita nyo. Ayun guys, meron palang pwede, if ever hirap kayong umakyat, meron palang mga habal-habal or motor na pwede magdala sa inyo sa taas. I'm not sure kung magkano yan pero may option naman kayo maglakad kung gusto nyo maglakad. Tapos may mga toilet dito guys. Ang bayad is 5,000 Indonesian rupiah. Ayan guys, so nandito na yung food natin and medyo kailangan kong i-share ito. So bali guys, ito, tignan nyo. Dalawang egg, so sunny side, and then bacon, tomato and cucumber on the side. Tapos 3 slice ng bread. In fairness, tapos may butter and jam. Guys, nabudol ako. Akala ko maraming serving. So this is actually 190,000 Indonesian rupiah. So lumalabas sa parang 600 pesos. Sana na lang. Hindi na ako nag-breakfast. Though may mga naman, meron sila mga breakfast menu, less than 100,000. Medyo natakam ako sa American breakfast na to, highlights, yung tawag nila. Ang ending, budol is real. So yun lang guys, so wala, for experience na lang din at saka naka-order na tayo. So next time, at least alam nyo na pag magbe-breakfast kayo dito, meron silang mga less than 100,000. So yun na lang yung orderin nyo. O kaya naman, if ever, pwede naman kayo hindi mag-breakfast kung nag-breakfast naman kayo sa inyo. Hindi kasi tayo nakapag-breakfast. Yung sabi ko sa inyo kahapon sa isang vlog natin na may food tayo dapat for breakfast. Medyo nagdalawang isip akong kainin kasi malamig. Baka biglang sumakit yung tiyan natin. So, ito na lang muna. Sige. Okay na yan. Di na lang tayo masyado magdi-dinner. Kasi yung food natin ng lunch parang nasa 300 pesos na yon. Food natin ng dinner nasa 300 pesos. Tapos itong breakfast natin doble 600 pesos. So anyway, again, okay na yon at least, di ba? Na-share ko sa inyo. So alam nyo na gagawin nyo next time. Okay, so we'll just enjoy this. Tapos after nito, hintayin natin si Kuya. Dinakit na tayo at pupunta tayo ng Limpuyang Temple.
Maybe you want to open the sunroof? No problem because no temple here. Okay, you ready? Yep. Yeah, next push. Next push. Next push.
ไม่มีท่าจะโพสอะไรแบบเดิมแล้วหนู
Yep. Next push. Maybe jump. Yep. Okay, jump. Yep. 1, 2, 3. Yo. Okay, got it. Next. Oh.
Good.
Okay, next. Please give.
One, two. Neck push. Neck push. Look camera.
Look camera. No, your body like this. More better. Okay, look back. Set.
Yeah, that it. Okay.
Okay, got it. Until back, yeah. Yep, back. Yep. More back. More back. More back.
One, two. Neck push. One, two. Put your hand behind it. One. Okay.
Okay, got it.
So guys, pag nag-breakfast pala kayo doon, may picture taking or picture spot sa taas. Ang gaganda ng picture. How much is that? The motor going up?
Only 10,000.
Ah, okay.
Only one.
Oo. Taas pala na ito guys. Look.
Are you one? Wait.
Na.
Huh?
Ngayon guys, hihingal tayo.
Sim. Size. Sim. I'm already pay.
Okay.
thank you aduh duh
See ya. Ayun guys, medyo pagod. Bigyan yung taas. Oy. Thank you.
are you gonna go there ya
There.
yeah
Hi, thank you. So may options kayo magmotor for only 10,000. Ano sila kuya? Nandaya tayo. Ang taas kasi guys, pag hindi tayo nagmotor, tagaktak ang pawis natin. In fairness malamig dito. Tapos may mga kainan, ayan o. May fresh fruit, may convenience store, ayan. Tapos may toilet, ay, may tsura yun. Morning exercise. So we're here guys.
Hello.
Hello.
What's up?
Cute.
You want must be waiting the line.
Okay. With the picture. Okay.
Okay.
Thank you. Okay, so may line dito guys. Nagpa-picture kayo sa part na to. Tapos ito naman yung isang line, yung may number Dito, sa kabila. Yan na siya. Gate of Heaven. So guys, totoo nga. Marami namang pwesto dito, side to side. Kung gusto nyong maghintay while waiting for your turn para magpa-picture dito sa Gate of Heaven. And sobrang daming tao guys. Mas maganda nga mas maaga kayo. And take note, pang number 88 tayo. Tapos yung tinatawag ngayon is pang number 39 pa lang. Time check, it is 7:18 AM. Siguro maabot pa tayo ng isang oras, 1.5 or 2 hours. Okay na, carry lang naman kasi marami naman tayong pwedeng gawin habang naghihintay. Tapos ito, sa tapat naman ng Gate of Heaven, meron ditong lugar. Ito, pwede magpa-picture. So nakapila dito. We'll just wait for our turn. Si Kuya ulit yung magpa-picture. In fairness guys, ang gaganda ng picture. Mamaya pakita ko sa inyo sa IG ko ipopost. And Facebook of course. Gwapo ni Kuya.
Yang diperbolehkan masuk ke area utama pura. Bayi yang berusia sebelum 105 hari.
Okay, you sit down. Yep. Okay, sit down.
Bawa
Nah, Bob.
tolong terima satu staf kerja posisi.
1, 2, 3. Yes. Okay.
So guys, this is Kuya Wawan. Trusted, good driver.
Thank you very
Friendly.
much. Yeah.
Recommended.
Yeah.
3. Wajib menggunakan sarung dan harus dipakai setiap saat. 4. Bahu dan punggung harus ditutup.
2. Women are not permitted to enter the tent. A sarong is compulsory and must be worn at all times. Climb up or sit on the temple walls, raised platforms, or statues.
So ito guys yung behind the scene. Ayan. Medyo maulap pero mukhang maganda naman yung magiging result ng pictures. So bali guys, pero kayong 4 to 5 poses. If ever na turn nyo na or habang naghihintay, mag-isip na kayo ng mga pose ninyo kasi mabilisan lang talaga siya. Ayan, katulad yan, si Kuya. Ganda, diba? Ayan guys, so ang number ngayon is 52 na ata and ang number natin is pang 88 pa tayo. So actually, hindi naman siya nakakainip maghintay kasi habang nanonood ka ng mga nagpo-post, nakakatuwa kasi iba-ibang post talaga. Kailangan nyo mag-create ng post nyo at least 4 to 5. Ayan, 53 na. So 4 to 5 poses, siguro magja-jump shot tayo ang last post natin. Hindi naman nakakainip. Tsaka kasi first time, lahat ng nakikita mo parang okay. Though talagang kailangan nyo maghintay pero nasa sa inyo na yung kung paano nyo aaliwin yung sarili ninyo. Pero so far hindi ako naiinip kasi natutuwa ko din sa mga poses nila. Pwede rin kayo mangopya ng mga pose. So may options kayo magtanggal ng shoes, magpaa. Bawal lang mag-yoga pose na mataas yung legs nyo, yung iangat nyo talaga yung legs nyo. Tapos bawal din yung nakikita yung tuhod, yung balikat, kaya may sarong para makover. Kapag nakita nila medyo nakikita yung legs ninyo, papatakip nila. Ayan guys, medyo maaraw na sa part na to. Maganda yung shot talaga pag umaga kasi yung araw ata nandito. So siya, nasisinagan kayo ng araw kapag magpipicture, which is, di ba, mas maganda yung sa picture. Tapos kahit ilan kayo guys, kung group of like family kayo, may shots kayo na grupo, meron ding shots na tagi-isa-isa. So take your time. Lahat ng nandito guys naghihintay naman for their turn. So huwag kayong magmadali. Pero pag nandun na kayo, kailangan alam nyo yung mga pose ninyo. Marami kasi nakatingin. Be creative sa mga pose kasi once in a lifetime lang tong shots ninyo dito. Tsaka yung moment. Maganda yung weather, hindi maulan, tapos background nyo talaga yung backdrop is si Mount Agung. And by the way guys, doon sa tour natin na kinuha sa Klook, nagbabasa rin kasi ako ng mga reviews, and in fairness guys, I forgot kung ilan yung nag-book nung 3-day tour na kinuha din natin, and so far 5-star rating siya sa Klook. Nagtiwala ako din sa mga reviews, and marami silang guys, marami silang driver. Hindi lang si Kuya Wawan yung magiging driver nyo kapag kumuha kayo ng tour, marami sila dito. And in fairness very friendly, very trusted. Yung alam mo yung hindi ka mahihiya. Tapos sila din mismo yung nakikipag mag-i-initiate ng kwentuhan. Again, if you want to experience this and if you want to book any activities sa Klook, feel free to use my promo code Mark Paragas Klook for instant discount.
Times. 5. Never climb up or sit on the table.
Three hours later.
So guys, after 2 hours?
Yeah, 3 hours.
3 hours.
Oh, 4 hours.
Finally, we are done.
4 hours.
So we are done. Our next stop will be Water Palace,
Water Palace.
of Tirta Ganga.
But don't care about the whiting. Yeah, finally it's good. Yeah, good
It's
view.
nice. It's
Yeah.
nice. The pictures are perfect. Nasa shuttle ulit tayo guys. Going back to the parking lot. In fairness 4 hours yung waiting guys. Pero hindi ko siya na-feel kasi marami akong ginagawa. Nag-vlog ako. And then, ang sarap panoorin yung mga iba't ibang posts, yung mga nagpapapicture. 88 yung number ko guys. Tapos yung mga dumarating nasa 200. So for sure, abutin sila ng mga 5 to 6 hours. Pero in fairness after you are done, ang gaganda ng picture. So siguro, I would suggest or I would recommend na sobrang agahan nyo. As in maaga pa kasi dumating kami ng mga 6,
12.
pang
Temple area.
8 na ako. Pwedeng mas maaga kayo na maghintay, like 5 a.m. nandito na kayo. For sure mga nasa line of 20s or 30s ang turn nyo doon sa taas. And this is again once in a lifetime experience. So pag nandito kayo sa Bali, for sure hindi naman na kayo babalik dito kapag meron na kayong picture dun sa Lempuyang temple. And yung paghihintay nyo ng mga 3 to 4 hours or 2 hours to 5 hours, worth it. Siguro magdala na lang kayo ng mga anything na pwede nyong kalikutin para hindi nyo mamalayin yung oras. Ayun. Alright, so see you on our next stop. Our second stop guys, Water Palace of Tirta Ganga.
You must be by fish food because for the cold fish.
Okay.
When you take a picture with the fish. Okay, pepper sir. For the not for me, the fish.
For Kuya Wawan. That's for the fish. 5,000. Ayan guys, just in case magdi-DIY kayo. Ayan. So again, kasama na siya sa binayad nyo sa Klook, mga entrance fees.
Okay, so I can explain for this place. Yeah, this is the name the Tirta Ganga.
Tirta Ganga.
Yeah. And then everybody call the water palace. Yeah.
Water Palace.
Yeah, because this water from the bottom of the tree.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, and then also the palace of the king palace here. Yeah, because this is a private. Yeah.
Is the king living here?
Yeah, living here.
Oh?
Yeah, but not here.
Oh, no.
In the city.
Oh, in the city. Okay. And this water is natural from
Not
the
from the
mountain?
No,
From the tree?
Yeah, from the bottom of the tree. This
Oh.
spring water.
Nice.
Okay, coming. Okay, maybe let's just do it like that. Yeah, I can take a. One, two. Yep, next push.
Guys, magaling si Kuya. Kumuha. Tapos itong water na to, oh, nice. Itong water na to, guys, is nanggagaling sa malaking puno doon. Ang ganda, oh.
Okay, Mamo.
Here? Here. Okay. So big?
Yeah.
Oh, it's big.
Hello. Sir. Okay. 1, 2. Okay. Okay, we go. No, no. We go there.
Oh, okay. Yeah, follow the leader. Ayan. So guys, syempre, yung mga tour guide natin is alam na nila yung mga perfect spot for picture taking. Kaya sundan nyo lang. It's nice.
Okay, you first one. Stand up here. Okay. And then when I told you coming, you walk. Yeah, like relax.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, coming. Yeah. Lovely. Okay, man.
Oh,
I
chicken.
didn't have the pool, man. Yeah, the pool. So, this is a public pool.
Ah, okay.
Yeah. When you,
Is it hot spring or
no, it's the natural spring.
but natural spring?
Yeah.
Okay.
Cool spring, eh?
Nice. Is there like a payment or how much? Or
It
is
is?
it free with the
No.
entrance?
20,000.
Okay.
Yeah, per person.
Not bad.
Yeah. Because a different ticket, yeah, inside here and
okay.
for the vacation.
So guys, meron itong natural spring and you have the option na maligo for 20,000. So it's really more on picture taking dito, guys.
Okay, so this is the barong, yeah?
Barong,
Yeah.
meaning
Barong is meaning it's good.
Oh,
But
okay.
That one is nature. Yeah. Randa from here. This is symbol of the bad and good.
bad.
And good.
Good.
Yeah.
Okay.
This is nature. Layak. Randa.
Ah,
Like the western, like the Gauss.
I
like
see.
Gauss.
here,
No, no.
only here. Kotang-kota na ako guys sa Instagram.
You want to touch for your fish?
Fish?
Yeah, maybe you want to touch.
Touch it?
Yeah. Can do. Yeah, you sit down there. Yeah. No problem. Yeah. You touch. Yeah.
Nice. Nice. Good job. I like it.
Yeah.
Fairness. Is there another fish there?
Huh?
Another fish?
No.
No?
Only here.
So should I
Yeah.
finish this? Bawa naman kayo. Ayan. Alright. So guys, that's it. So again, it's more on picture taking dito. Pero maganda in fairness ha.
Thank you.
Thank you. Ayan. Sandali lang. Siguro mga ano. Pwede naman kayo magpahinga kasi parang may nakita akong ano, bilihan. Ayan, marami oh. Bilihan ng mga snacks. Water. And then may reptiles. May ang gwapo ni Kuya. Ayun. Good weather. Good shots. Tapos good photographer. Ayan. Nice. That is really nice. Thank you. Thank you. Okay, so on to our next stop. So that's it guys for our Limpuyang Temple and Gate of Heaven experience. Kasama na dyan yung Water Palace of Tirtaganga experience as well. Hanggang dito na lang guys muna ulit, and I will upload the next part tomorrow at 12 noon Manila time. Sobrang daming itinerary kasi natin today guys, kaya aabutin to ng isang oras kapag tinuloy-tuloy ko yung pag-edit. And kilala ko kayo na hindi kayo tumatagal sa video ko. Kaya hatiin ko na lang muna. So guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel Mark Paragas Official and hit the notification bell para updated kayo sa mga upcoming travel vlogs natin, especially here in Bali. And you can also follow my other social media accounts, Facebook and Instagram. So guys, live life to the fullest, enjoy every moment, and follow me as we discover the world one step at a time. See you on my next Bali vlog.